Hello, my friends. There's been an exciting development in the world of crypto trading. And today, I want to show you how to automate your trading strategy signals from TradingView Trade on BingX for free without even paying a third party. BingX.com allows you to directly connect your TradingView alerts to their platform, eliminating the need for third-party services like Alertatron and 3Commas. Now, keep in mind that this information is current as of February 2024, and the service on BingX is always evolving. Let's dive into the 4-step process. I'll guide you through the setup using a freshly generated account so you can follow along. Step 1. Access BingX. If you're not registered, do it right now with the code SPAR and select the trading pair you intend to trade, such as Bitcoin USDT, available in derivatives. Step 2. Create a webhook for Signal Trading. Head over to the BingX homepage, scroll down to Signal Trading, click on Create and then on Strategy Instruction. Step 3. Set up TradingView alerts. Go to TradingView and check if you're on the correct chart. Here, BTC USDT, Perpetual, BingX, and create or select your strategy script. In the strategy setting, set the initial capital and order size according to your trading preferences. Remember to choose default as base currency and then USDT after the order size. Watch your leverage setting because order size 200 and leverage 2x means your position on BingX will be 400 USDT. Click OK. Step 4. Strategy instruction. Switch back to BingX and put in name and trading pair under the strategy instruction tab. Here you can also change the amount of leverage you're willing to take. I leave it at 2x. Click on create. Now copy the webhook URL and information into a separate text editor. You will need it. Step 5. Creating alert. Create an alert on TradingView with the necessary conditions, ensuring that your strategy script is selected under the Conditions tab, and paste the webhook URL in the field Webhook URL in the Alert tab and Notifications. Click on Create. You can see the new alerts now on the right side of the TradingView Alert section as active. All done. Sit back and enjoy the automated trading in your account according to your strategy script. You will receive notifications via push notifications or email when your strategy signals fire off. A few important notes. Don't share your info text. That's it. You've successfully set up automated trading on BingX.com for totally free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in trading at BingX.com, I have a special link below that might offer you some exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching and happy trading on BingX.com.